Happy morning, happy afternoon, and happy evening to all my Nanbas and Nanbis. In this video, I am going to introduce you to a concept called WABI SABI, which basically means the beauty of appreciating the things which is imperfect and impermanent, basically accepting the flow of life. Usually, from our childhood, we always aim for perfection, we always aim for that first mark, and when we do the to-do list, now that exams are nearing, you definitely will have to do for the day, to do for the hour, to do for the week, and all of those things, and you will be aiming to perfectly study as per your hourly to-do list or daily to-do list, which might not be possible. And trust me, these days social media actually shows only the perfect side of life, only the happy side of life. In reality, when you actually do not know what is happening on the other side at all, what I am coming to tell, you will know after this slide. Now, usually young means beautiful, but if you look at this hand, just tell me how beautiful these freckles actually look. This shows that they have lived their life. Yes or no? And if you see this leaf, normally green leaves are considered beautiful, but if you see this almost withering leaf, it looks so beautiful with the textures and with all the colors which is actually going on here. Here, if you see, there is actually beauty in the imperfections also. In fact, the Japanese believe that when something has suffered damage and it has history, it becomes more beautiful. So they mend these broken objects even using gold, guys. So if you have a to-do list and if you are not able to follow this to-do list, if you have failed plans basically, it is okay. It is okay to be imperfect. Just be consistent and keep going on. It's okay to start again. Don't be too hard on yourself. The next time when you think that, oh my god, I am so imperfect, I am not able to be perfect, I want you to think about this concept called Wabi Sabi. All the very best, guys.